Get ready to giggle. This cheeky story is about something that makes a funny sound, and everyone does it. Toot by Leslie Patricelli. Oh, I tooted. I'm a train. I toot on my trike. I toot in my suit. I toot in my music class. Shake, shake. Thump, thump. Boom, boom. Jingle, jingle. Clunk, clunk. Toot, toot. I don't know if Kitty toots or if Fishy toots, but I know Doggy toots. Ew. Daddy's toots are loud. Mummy's toots are quiet. Did someone toot? I toot when I have to go potty. Yay! I toot when I have a tummy ache. I feel better. I toot in the tubby. It's so bubbly. Some toots are long. Some toots are short. All toots are funny. More sounds I make. Burp. Hiccup. Yawn. Rumble, rumble. Cough, cough. Who toots? Only babies? Only dogs? Or everyone? The answer is everyone. A toot is just air leaving your body when your tummy works hard to digest food. Even animals do it.